Okay, so when working with a BAHA device, you will likely be using it on a soft band. This one happens to have the soft pad as well, so it's more comfortable for use. And you just need to take the BAHA off and then attach it using your Verifit skull simulator here. And it should clip in there just like that. And you do want it facing upright. And if, say, this is a left side, you want it to be using the left speaker. If it is a right side, you'll want it to face the right speaker and microphones. And this does need to be plugged in to where it says coupler. There it goes. And so we're gonna treat this like a right-sided BAHA. We're going to align our microphone with the front microphone of the BAHA, and then we should be able to verify. On your Verifit, remember your good habits. There is in the drop-down an option for BAHA or bone anchored hearing device. So you do want to set that up and you'll notice things change. In this screen, you don't have RACDs anymore. You only have the option to use the skull simulator. You have to decide which BAHA device you're using, and it does have a list of all the options. This does happen to be a BAHA 5 model, and this is a child. So you would continue on, and in this software, you do have to manually enter what the thresholds are. So I'm gonna do that here. We have this down to 25. Okay. And even though we're only running one ear, the double screen is nice for a printout. So we should be able to play all of our tests now and see where they come in. And the reason it's not showing you anything is that when you're in the BC Direct screen, the BAHA devices are muted. And so we just need to unmute them here and get into our fitting screen. So here we try again. And there you see. The hardest part about verifying BAHAs is that high frequency gain, depending on the model of the device used. And because you're using the in situ or in suite direct bone conduction thresholds, you're gonna lose a lot of that high frequency gain. So it's important to make adjustments as necessary and also keep feedback in mind. Once you've made your adjustments, you wanna re-verify and make sure you're matching targets as best as possible. As you can see here, 250 was decreased significantly. The higher frequencies were increased, however, we're at limits of equipment. This is not a powerful enough BAHA device to meet targets. The hearing loss is too significant for this device. And so you want to keep that in mind with counseling, that you have a device that gives you enough of a fitting range for greater losses, especially for BAHA devices, because you need the extra gain to overcome the soft band fit, hair, skin, the soft pad, and all of those pieces.